Hello everybody, this is Kitty and the Beast and my name is Nika. Today we're making colorful pins dedicated to a Slavic goddess named Mokosh. First, I had to make a project and we'll work using it as a base. These are the colors we're going to use, and we'll start with a brown polymer clay because brown looks pretty much like a fruitful soil, and Mokosh is a goddess of rain, moisture, fertility and sexuality. She takes care of the earth and is also associated with weaving, so we'll make the base in the shape of a spindle with some yarn on it, thus sharp ends and smooth sides. We'll make 10 pins, and that's why we'll repeat every step 10 times. Of course, I will raise the speed and cut out less important parts for you. I use a small amount of water to smoothen the surfaces. It helps me to avoid sticking polymer clay to my fingers and improve sliding moves. Now a new color. Yellow is the color of riches because it symbolizes ripe grains and in modern world, gold and money. We'll make a yellow shawl in a square shape and put it on this ground to put some plants on it later. This actually is a symbol of the goddess that came to us from the ancient times. Now we'll decorate the brown base, the ground, with some furrows. You probably know cultivation helps with productivity and good crop capacity, so we'll help it a little, and with Mokosh moist help, we'll gather the best results. I also wanted to decorate the shawl with red edges so that it would look even richer and brighter. It was a bit hard considering the softness of the red polymer clay, but the result looks pretty nice. And here is the green color of nature, and we'll make some crossed branches on it, laying on our shawl, and add some leaves. Sometimes it's also considered to be ears of wheat, but we already have a symbol of the grain, so I decided to add some freshness to it. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without several drops of water. So I took some blue polymer clay and put small pieces of it in the corners of the spindle. Two of them have the shape of a drop, and I also made 3 small round dots for additional decoration. This will be the finishing element of our Mokosh Slavic pins, full of life and natural treasures. Now I will only add some golden shine to the shawl by putting some golden pastel on it. As usual, I used the thinnest brush for this fine work. And now the pins are ready to be baked. After they are hardened, I mix some good epoxy glue. As always, I use UHU or UHU and stick the pins to the back side of the Mokosh symbols. Better put it to the upper part so that the weight wouldn't play around with it later. I've enjoyed working on these Mokosh pins pretty much, and I like the final result. What about you? Would you change anything? I hope this video was useful for you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to my channel to watch new tutorials I'll make. I would also be appreciated for financial support to spare some more time making new stuff and showing it to you. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video.